Welcome to my channel Online Earning Course. In this video we learn about how to earn money online through Instagram. Let's play.
Instagram advertising. Hey there everyone, ready for more awesome Instagram marketing material? Well, we surely hope that you're ready, because we're about to educate you on one of Instagram's most fascinating features. Yes, just like we promised you in our previous video, we are going to talk about advertising on Instagram, which is nothing but the act of promoting your business by way of Instagram's own paid advertising program. But you already know that paid advertising platforms abound. So let's talk about what makes advertising on Instagram so special. And let's start by saying that advertising on Instagram is all about building your business on the platform. Driving awareness, growing your customer base, and sharing your story with one of the largest audiences on any current social network is a seamless experience, because Instagram adverts appear in a bold, linear format that perfectly matches the visual nature of the platform, making them look natural. Instagram adverts are very diverse. Photo adverts, for instance, allow you to tell your story through a simple and beautiful digital canvas that adapts to users' device screen orientations. Video adverts give ads an additional edge by adding sight, sound, and motion to the already immersive quality of photo adverts. Carousel adverts are designed to add an additional layer to the Instagram advert experience, because they will allow you to insert several images or videos into a single advert so users can swipe across them. Lastly, story adverts will allow you to complement the content of any feed with awesome promoted stories, which are very engaging to begin with. Instagram adverts are designed to help you meet your business goals, no matter if you are trying to increase brand awareness or increase the number of people in your established customer base, because by advertising on Instagram, you will be able to get the results that are most important to your business. In fact, business goals that you can achieve by advertising on the Instagram platform are wide and specific, and they cover the three main stages of the customer decision journey. Awareness. You can drive awareness of your brand, business location, or services by way of the following goals: reach, frequency, brand awareness, and local awareness. Consideration. Make your potential customers aware of your specific offers is easier through these goals: website clicks, video views, and reach and frequency. Conversion. Lastly, you will be able to increase your sales, app downloads, and frequent shopping visitors by converting leads into actual customers through the following goals: website conversions, dynamic adverts, mobile app installs, and engagement. Awesome, but how can you actually get started? Well, getting started with Instagram advertising is fairly quick and easy, as Instagram uses the same powerful advertising tools as Facebook. If you are familiar with Facebook advertising, you're already more than halfway through Instagram advertising then. But if you're new to advertising on both platforms, it goes like this. You start by having an Instagram business profile and a Facebook page for your business, which you already have, as we walked you through the process during the first two videos in this section. You'll then have to go to either the Adverts Manager or the Power Editor on Facebook to create and run your adverts, which we will show you how to do in the next video. You will then have to determine your advertising budget, which in turn also determines for how long will your adverts run, and how many people you will be able to reach with them as well. Lastly, you will simply have to publish your adverts once they are ready. And that's it. Okay, so how do you actually publish adverts on the Instagram platform? To publish adverts, you have to buy them by setting up a budget like we showed you previously. And there are 4 ways to acquire them. You can simply promote your Instagram post from the Instagram app. Any post can be promoted as long as it complies with Instagram's rules. By going to the Adverts Manager in Facebook, where you will be able to use the same powerful advert editing tools that you would use to create Facebook adverts. By going to the Power Editor on Facebook, which is an interface that will allow you to set up several ad campaigns at the same time and have more control over them. This is an option mostly used by advanced marketers with very large budgets and by marketing agencies. By hiring an Instagram partner to take care of your ads for you. This is an option mostly used by people short on time, or by people that would rather delegate this job to others. Creating adverts on Instagram goes beyond helping you to reach your business goals, as it will also help you to reach the people that matter the most to you. This is done through powerful audience targeting options that can help you reach people based on specific locations, such as countries, cities, and regions, To narrow down your audience based on demographic information such as age, gender, and language. To reach people based on interests such as the apps they use, the accounts they follow, and the adverts they usually click on. These targeting options will also help you to define an audience by its behavior. You can also customize your own audience by directly targeting them based on a database of emails or phone numbers. You can also set up lookalike audiences to find audiences that are potentially similar to yours. And you can also set up automated targeting that will allow Instagram to target an audience based on your business profile. So tune in to the following video so we can teach you how to set up the different types of adverts offered by Instagram the easy way. Types of Instagram ads. Hello there once again. Let's keep ourselves busy by jumping right in and showing you the types of adverts available for advertisers on Instagram and where you can go to create them. Okay. The first type of ad that you can create on Instagram, and in fact the easiest one to create, is photo ads. You can create a photo ad by taking a photo and promoting it, or by selecting a photo from your gallery and promoting it. One thing to note though, is that you will be able to set up a photo ad after you have created a photo post. So let's show an example by creating one from a photo post that we've already published. We will start by going to our profile so we can search for a photo post. Then we can promote from there by tapping on the profile icon on the lower right. Once there, we're going to tap on the promote button. Now, when you tap on that button, you will be able to see what posts are actually eligible for promotions, as there are certain conditions that a post must comply with in order to be promoted. One of them being that images on the post are 1080 by 1080 in resolution. If your camera's device is not able to take pictures at that resolution or higher, you will need to snap your pictures from another device, save them to your device, and then upload them to your post through your gallery. Alrighty then. With that out of the way, let's continue by tapping on the arrow icon on the upper right. Now on this screen, you will have to select a promotion objective. You will have two options, to either get more profile and website visits or reach people near an address. The get more profile and website visits objective will allow you to show your promoted post to the people that are more likely to click through your URLs. The reach people near an address will allow you to show your promoted post to people in a location that you want to target. For example, in the case that you have a business that you would like to promote in a specific area. In our case, we are going to select the Get More Profile and Website Visits as our objective by tapping on it. Now you will have to set up your ad details. Let's start with the first options on top. We already selected our objective, so let's take a look at destination below. In destination, we're going to select the placement where we want to link people to. We can select to either send people to our destination website or to our business profile on Instagram. And we're going to select to send people to our website. Now by tapping on the action button, we will be able to select the call to action button, and it will depend on what type of action we want people to take. There are several actionable buttons including Learn More, Watch More, Shop Now, Book Now, Sign Up, and Contact Us. Because our objective is to send people to our website to generate more traffic there, we're going to select the Learn More button. Next, you will have to set up your target audience, your budget, and your campaign's duration. Let's start with audience. There are two types of audiences. Automatic audiences are target audiences that Instagram will set up according to your own profile, with specific locations, gender, and age setups. The other are custom audiences, which you can set up by tapping on Create Your Own. You have to start by giving your custom audience a name, as this audience will be saved. Then you will have to select the location or locations to target. Then you'll have to tap on Interest to target people according to interests. In our case, we are going to target people who like healthcare and healthy eating. Then you'll simply need to finish up by selecting an age group and target genders. Once you are done here, simply tap on the confirmation button. Your new audience will be saved, and you'll simply have to select it from the Saved Audiences menu. Now you'll have to select the budget and duration. Here you can select Instagram's own fixed budgets and durations, or tap on Set Your Own to set up your own daily budget and duration. We recommend you to set up a budget of $5 per day and to run your campaign for a good 6 days, as that is the optimal way to learn if you'll be getting back your budgetary investment. You can use the Preview tab to preview how your photo ad will look. Once you're ready to launch your ad, simply tap on the Create Promotion button. So far so good, right? let's continue with the other types of ads. But before we continue, we want you to know that the following type of Instagram ads can only be created through Facebook and only through the desktop version. Now, you can create these ads by either using the Adverts Manager or the Power Editor. And we're going to show you how to use the Adverts Manager to create them, as that is the easiest, most direct way. For that, you'll simply have to start by logging into your Facebook business account, the one that you have linked to your Instagram business account. Once there, click on the menu button and then on Create Ads to go to the Ads Manager. Then select your marketing objective. In our case, we're going to select brand awareness as our objective. After selecting your objective, you will need to create an ad account for your new campaign, in case you haven't done so before, which is as simple as selecting the account country, currency, and time zone. After you set this up, simply click on Continue to move on to the next step. Now you'll have to set up your ad set. Start by naming your ad set in the Ad Set Name field. Now you have to set up your audience, your placements, and your budget. A recommendation here is to set your audience and budget the same way we showed you how when we showed you how to promote the Instagram post. So we'll continue by clicking on Continue. Now you will have to create the actual ad. Start by naming your ad in the Ad Name field. You have two options when you decide to create an ad here. You can either create new ad from scratch or use existing post. When you click on Use Existing Post, you will be able to select the Facebook page and a connected Instagram profile to where to promote your post. Now, because this is an Instagram ad, you have to go to the Select the Page Post menu. Check the Only Show Posts that can be used with Instagram ads option. Now you'll be able to select which of your Facebook posts can be promoted on Instagram as well. And you can use the Ad Preview menu to select Instagram placements to see a preview of how your promoted posts will look on there. Awesome! Let's now check the rest of Instagram ads by clicking on the Create New Ad tab. Start by selecting your Facebook and Instagram business accounts on the Ad Identity section. As you can see here, our ads are already selected by default. So let's move to the Format section. In this section is where you will be able to select the other types of Instagram ads, which, as you can see, are the same type of ads that you can set up on Facebook itself. From left to right, the first type of ads that you will be able to select are carousel ads. In this type of ad, you will be able to include 2 or more images or videos that users can scroll through, all in a single ad. Remember that images for Instagram ads have to be 1080 by 1080 in resolution or higher, otherwise they won't upload. Now, single image ads are very much the same as photo ads or promoted posts on Instagram, and single video ads are just like the single image ads, only with videos instead of images. Lastly, slideshow ads are similar to the Instagram stories in that they allow you to share up to 10 images on a single ad, and they will be shown as a moving slideshow. Those are the types of Instagram ads that you will be able to show to your audience of choice, and the one that you choose will depend on your objective and how you wish to engage with your audience, so make sure to choose wisely.